Good morning, everyone. I'm Dr. Priyanka Veeramosu, Admission Coordinator. I would like to welcome you all to the third session of our panel discussion on engineering for future, choosing the right discipline and embracing its rewards. These discussions aims to empower students and parents with the insights needed to make informed decisions about choosing the right engineering stream. Today's session promises to be enlightening and offers a golden opportunity to hear from top industry professionals and eminent faculty sharing real-world insights into the evolving tech landscape. I'm delighted to introduce our Department of CSE, Cybersecurity, Data Science, and AIDS, headed by Dr. T. Sunil Kumar Garu. And today he will be one of the panelists who gives us the insightful discussions about the right career choice or the right stream to be chosen. So for this discussion, we have delightedly welcomed our moderator, Mr. Sangameshwar, who is working as an assistant professor in the Department of CYS, DS, and AIDS. With his exceptional moderation skills and passion for the knowledge sharing, I'm confident that today's discussion will be engaging, thought-provoking, and valuable for all participants. So I request Sangameshwar sir to kindly please take over the session from here and introduce our panelists to the audience today.
Yeah, thank you very much, madam, for my introduction. A very good morning to everyone who are present in here. On behalf of the Department of CSE, Cybersecurity, Data Science, and Artificial Intelligence and Data Science at VNRVJIET, I warmly welcome you all to this insightful open house panel discussion on engineering for future, choosing the right discipline and embracing its rewards. This session is especially designed for prospective students and their families to help explore the scope, advantages, and career possibilities offered by the emerging and in-demand disciplines like cybersecurity, data science, and artificial intelligence and data science. Today, we are honored to have an esteemed lineup of faculty leaders, industry professionals, and alumni who will share their valuable insights and experience to help you make an informed decision for your engineering journey. Let me take a moment to introduce our distinguished panelist, Dr. T. Sunil Kumar sir, who is professor and head of the Department of CSC, Cybersecurity, Data Science, and Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. He is a visionary academic leader who has been instrumental in shaping these innovative programs in our institutions. And next, coming to Dr. M. Rashekar sir, who is senior professor in the department, known for his academic depth and commitment to curriculum excellence and outcome-based education. Next, here is an industry expert, Mr. B. Srinivas sir, Associate Vice President at Bank of America, an industry expert who brings rich insights into the global technology landscape and professional scope for our graduates. Mr. Suman Jali sir, application architect at RealPage, a technology leader who bridges the gap between classroom learning and real-world problem solving. You're welcome, sir. Mr. Raja Praveen sir, senior solution architect at Wipro with expertise in scalable enterprise solutions and technical mentoring. Welcome you, sir, into the panel. Mr. K. Mehernath, Associate at RSM US LLP, an accomplished alumnus of VNRVJIET, currently working in the cybersecurity domain. Here he is to share his inspiring journey in the panel. Mr. R. Krantikumar sir, Assistant Professor and Placement Coordinator, known for his efforts in ensuring robust placement outcomes for students across our branches. Mr. G. Sattar sir, Assistant Professor and Training Coordinator, actively involved in preparing students with industry-ready skills through dedicated training programs. And our Program Coordinator, P. Subhash, Program Coordinator for Cybersecurity, a dedicated academician and expert in secure computing, network defense, and cybersecurity frameworks. He plays a key role in shaping the curriculum to meet global cybersecurity standards and certifications. Dr. N. Sunanda ma'am, Program Coordinator for Data Science, known for her deep expertise in analytics, statistics modeling, and data-driven decision-making. She brings a research-oriented perspective into classroom learning, and she has guided several students domains. Mr. Manmat Nath Das sir, the program coordinator for artificial intelligence and data science. With his strong industry connect and academic background, he focuses on equipping students with skills in automation, deep learning, and AI-powered technologies. Dr. Anand Kumar Sir, Professor of Practice in the Department of Cybersecurity, Data Science, and Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. He is rich in industry and academic experience. He focuses on integrating real world practices into learning, especially in cutting edge tech domains. Dr. V. Priyanka Madam, Coordinator Admissions VNRVJIET. She will address queries to admission related process and course selection guidance and any doubts related to admissions. Madam is ready to query all the questions. Sir, warmly welcome all the panelists, and let's start the panel discussion and more interactive. Here is the question from to Dr. T. Sunil Kumar sir, who is professor and head. Sir, as a parent and an inspiring student, we offer hearing about newer branches like data science, cybersecurity, and artificial intelligence and data science. Can you help us understand what is the actual significance of these disciplines in the current and future technological landscape, and how do they compare with conventional engineering courses? Sir, Dr. T. Silkumar sir, can you please address the question asked by some of our parents?
Yeah. Thank you so much, Sangameshwar, for a nice introduction and moderating the whole event.
Thank
I
you, sir.
myself, Dr. T. Sunil Kumar, head of the Department of Data Science, Cybersecurity, and Artificial Intelligence and Data Science in the Institute of VNR Jyothi Institute of Engineering and Technology. We are located in Bachpalli, Hyderabad, Telangana state. Indeed, it's my pleasure, and I am so glad in this very precious and pleasant day morning. I welcome you all for this live, open-hearted sharing, online sharing, I say, instead of panel discussion. It's a thought process sharing across a galaxy of intellectual people as a mixture of academia, industry, alumni experiences, trainings, placements, and subject experts for the benefit of engineering aspirants and their parents and grandparents, and every parent, whatever they have, the sort of nightmares or small blocks in their minds about certain aspects of every engineering discipline. We have been offering 3 programs from our department: cybersecurity, data science, AIDS. The programs that we have been offering are data science with 180 intake at first year level, cybersecurity 60 intake, artificial intelligence and data science 60 intake. Regarding these programs and their prospectus, the question given to me is well suited for clearing these certain doubts in their parents' minds and as well as engineering aspirant students. All right, I take a moment. Here we go. This is actually a fantastic question where everybody more or less thinking about the new disciplines like our data science, cybersecurity, and AIDS. In fact, it is a perfect and suitable argument or a discussion for the panel discussion, even today's sharing. I would like to break down this significance of 3 branches: data science, cybersecurity, and AIDS, and how they are stacked up with the traditional engineering existing branches, namely you name like mechanical, civil, electrical, and electronics engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering, any other engineering disciplines. But we would prefer, and I take a pride in presenting the significance of these 3 disciplines. Imagine the world as a giant puzzle, and where each piece of the puzzle is a piece of data. We have been living in today's world, which is a data-driven world. The data is everywhere. With this note, we are living in the data driven and the data is everywhere. I would like to give you one bullet point about the data science. So data science is like an ultimate puzzle solver. It's about finding the patterns, insights, and stories hidden within the massive amounts of data, where data, we say it is a DATA data, but I personally believe it is also a data, DATA data. Data means the giver. Whoever has the data, they are the problem solvers. Data science is really a detective in this data driven world that finds the marvelous hidden patterns about a business, online shopping, medical records. You take any field from the existing records of data or information, will give the fine tune of decision making, precious nuggets of bullet points or findings based on which the business makers, business people take the better decisions to improve their business. So in that way, the data science is the detective of the digital world, using tools and techniques to understand what the data is trying to tell us. In today's world, data is everywhere, as I repeated earlier, and from your online shopping to weather forecasting. Therefore, data science helps the business makers decisions and predict trends and solves that complex problems. To solve these complex problems, we need to prepare the future engineers as a data scientists or data handling data engineers, data analysts. Therefore, data science plays a vital role as a specialized field from our existing parenting department, that is computer science and engineering. That is about the first specialization, data science, which we have been offering with 180 intake. So I request and appeal the parents and grandparents and the students, those who are looking forward to join in any engineering, please prefer this data science is your prime preferred branch where you have a bright future with the aspect of data scientist and data engineer. Since we also having second branch, that is cyber security, it is my responsibility even to give you a glimpse on the second branch, that is cyber security. Cyber security, since we understood we have been living in data driven, data is everywhere, now we need to secure it, protect it. Therefore, the cyber security is the bodyguard of this digital world. The entire digital world should be protected, secured. How can we do that? There he comes, the cyber security specialist. Therefore, it is the bodyguard. Cyber security is the bodyguard of your today's digital world. It's all about protecting our information, systems, and networks from threats. As we become more connected on the internet, the need for cyber security experts also grows day to day exponentially. There is a dire need of producing cyber security secure engineers, secure managers, cyber security protecting capable people, those who can protect all our lives and data in the internet. As we become more connected, it is very much essential. Therefore, without any connection today, internet, we cannot imagine our lives. Everything happens online, right from your banking transaction to online shopping, and even food industry online. Therefore, everywhere security comes into play. So they are the guards against the hackers, viruses, and data breaches, ensuring our digital lives more safer and secure. With this note, again, I appeal second time to the parents and students and grandparents even. Cyber security discipline we have been offering with 60 intake. It also has a lot of potential to get your life very, very fruitful and future is very brightful with the specialization of cyber security. Because security needs everything to be secured since we have been doing many things online, especially finance related. And it is also my duty to give justification for the third discipline that we have been offering, named artificial intelligence and data science. Again, this specialization also we have 60 intake. This AIDS is the future of innovation, which means it combines the power of data science above I said first time with an ability to create an intelligent machine, AI systems that can learn, adapt, perform tasks that are typically required human intelligence. From self-driving cars to medical diagnosis, AI transforming industries from creating new possibilities. In one word, I can say AIDS is the double-edged sword. Data science, models, techniques, tools, mechanisms. We are also injecting the software-driven intelligence into the machine. For example, your self-automated cars, autonomous vehicles. Core engineering branches build the systems, put everything at place physically tangible, existing. For example, sir, mechanical mobility, they create engines and machines mobility vehicles. Civil engineering builds the buildings and the nations. Electronics and communication build these systems and electronics and chips. Electrical engineering, power of the nation. They are all physically tangible, existing core engineering branches. But we want to bring the digital to these existing branches. We want to paint with the digital world, all this. Therefore, what we are trying to offer is that we are giving this smartness, intelligence to these existing core engineering disciplines. Therefore, we are focusing more into specialization. However, data science, cybersecurity, AIDS, like our super powered in this today's tech world, they build upon foundations of our existing foundational engineering disciplines, but with the digital realm. So I just want to give you a quick one short of bullet point for understanding. The focus on the traditional engineering is physical systems. These new disciplines focus on data and digital security and intelligent systems. Traditional engineering uses the tools like CAD software, physical prototypes. Our new disciplines, data science, cybersecurity, AIDS uses programming languages, machine learning algorithms, machine learning models, and cybersecurity tools. That is smartness. So what is the impact? The impact of this traditional engineering builds the physical infrastructure. These new disciplines drive the innovation in areas like data-driven decision-making, cybersecurity, and automation. So the future is automation, security, and data handling. Therefore, there is a much scope for the people, those who would like to build their careers with a bright future, having a lot of perks, chances to earn and make their life happier and healthier. I request all of you to think about any discipline that you love and like to join. But we welcome you to our new disciplines where you have a lot of opportunities in the tech landscape of these groundbreaking new technologies. In conclusion, all these fields are important, no doubt. Traditional engineering lie down the foundations in the world we live in, and these new disciplines take into the new future and offer existing career paths and opportunities to shape the world. It's like choosing between building the house, that is traditional engineering, designing and smart home of the future, that is AIDS and cybersecurity. We talk about smart homes, smart cities, there we come in, our disciplines comes. These fields are interconnected. The best professionals often have to blend a blend of skills from both world, its existing time to time evolve technology, with so many opportunities to learn, innovate, and make the difference. Therefore, I conclude my question probably I might have answered for understanding of the parents and aspirants. Here, I repeat my department disciplines, our department disciplines, data science, cybersecurity, AIDS, opens a big door with a small key, that is your skill set and intelligence, to build the road very open and wider opportunities to reach your dream world and pinnacles in your life. We welcome you all. Further contact our department at Vignana Jyothi Institute of Engineering and Technology, Hyderabad. We are open to answer any sort of questions later. To optimize the time, here I conclude with expressing a note of thanks to all the people, my colleagues here. Now over to Sangameshwar to proceed further. As a HOD and professor and a subject expert of data science, I request all the parents and students, please think before you choose any your liked branch, but we welcome you to our department branches. Thank you so much for the opportunity given.
Thank you so much, sir, Dr. T. Sunil Kumar, sir, for your wonderful clarity and insightful explanation on the significance of these emerging branches. Your words truly helped parents and students who want to approach these branches understand their relevance and future scope. Great, sir. Thanks for your quick answer. And next, here is a question to Dr.
Thank you so much. Yeah, proceed, please.
Next, here is a question to Dr. M. Rajshekhar, sir, who is senior professor. Dr. Rajshekhar, sir.
Oh, yes, Sangam, please proceed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. One common concern is how newer specializations ensure academic rigor. Could you elaborate on how VNR ensures high quality education for these evolving branches and how the curriculum remains relevant to current industry trends, sir? Sir, over to you, sir.
Sangam, am I audible?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Sangam?
Sir, good morning, sir. You are audible. Please go ahead, sir.
Yes. Actually, thank you, Sangam, for providing this great opportunity. We always believe that curriculum is very important. It plays crucial role in all aspects, whether you go to industry, whether you go to higher education. While framing curriculum, we refer to top NRF 50 institutes, even a few foreign universities also. We formulated this curriculum as per national education policy. From first semester itself, we introduced courses, specific courses related to specific programs. For example, data science related subject in first semester itself for cybersecurity related subjects for AIDS related subjects. Actually, we started curriculum with fundamentals in first semester. By 8th semester, we introduced one of the famous published papers, just like father of deep learning is Geoffrey E. Hinton. He published so many papers and articles in famous journals. Recently, he got Nobel Prize. We introduced those papers also in 8th semesters. Our faculty is regularly trained on these subjects. Recently, many faculty got training from reputed institutes like IITs. We have regular training sessions. We can say we have one of the best curriculum. If you go through our curriculum, for each subject and for almost all subjects, we introduce case studies. Whatever they learned, they used to implement. For example, in first semester, they starts with if I take any course, they used to work with some particular data set. For example, in first semester, they worked in PCA by taking data set till in 8th semester. There is something like self-driving car. All these case studies are industry-related case studies. While formulating the syllabus itself, we consulted with the different industry persons, academic, higher educational persons. This curriculum is appreciated by many industry and higher educational academic persons. How we are different from other departments or other colleges means our curriculum is our strength. We strongly believe that curriculum, as I told you, curriculum will make a lot of difference. Even if you go through National Education Policy and NASCOM initiatives, they are highlighting these subjects: artificial intelligence, data science, and cyber security. Fortunately, we have all these three courses, all these three programs in our branch. Already students are passed out, and we have enough expertise in the department. We have good labs. You can have a happy learning environment in this college. We welcome you, all of you. For any queries, you can always meet HOD or any senior faculty in the department. Wish you all the best. Good luck. God bless you. Thank you, Sangam and HOD and all other faculty to providing this great opportunity.
Yeah, thank you so much, sir, Rashekar sir, for your clear and insightful explanation and how the curriculum aligns with current industry trends. Your inputs have truly added great value to understanding of the parent doubts. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Sangam. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Next question is to Mr. V. Srinivas, sir, who is Associate Vice President, Bank of America. Sir?
Yes, please. Can you hear me?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah, please go ahead.
Sir, Srinivas, sir, being an industry leader, how do you perceive the career prospect of students in cybersecurity, data science, and artificial intelligence and data science? What kind of industry demands and higher education opportunities exist in India and abroad for these domains, sir? Sir,
Okay.
please.
So, yeah. So, first off, thanks for having me here. And it is a pleasure to be here. On that note, at the very beginning, I would like to mention that there is a surge in number of cybersecurity jobs, given that the threat landscape is increasing by the day, and also given that there is a lot of digital transformation happening across various domains. So, in light of this, there is a significant increase in the number of jobs, right? So, and to let you know, as a matter of fact, around 3 million jobs for cybersecurity are projected by 2025. For in the space of cybersecurity alone, the projection or the projected number of jobs is around 3 million in India by 2025. Okay, so on that note, if you ask me to specifically talk about cybersecurity, I would like to begin with cybersecurity, which is my core competency, right? So, as we all know, cybersecurity deals with protection of computer systems, networks, data from unauthorized access, use, disclosure, disruption, modification, etc. And there is, like I said earlier, the threat landscape is increasing, and therefore organizations are increasingly deploying controls to mitigate the risk of cyber attacks. We all know the number of cyber crimes that are happening around us, and they are increasing by the day in an exponential way. Therefore, there is a great demand for cybersecurity jobs. Now, if you ask me the career pathing for cybersecurity professionals, okay, so we have so many varieties of jobs in the industry. So be it finance, let's talk about BFSI a little bit here. BFSI, okay, if you talk about BFSI, there are jobs like threat modeling, cyber defense, vulnerability management, security operations center, incident response team, okay, and then the jobs for as network specialist, app security related jobs. So there are variety of career pathing available for cybersecurity professionals. And if you also look at the entry level pay for cybersecurity professionals, for example, if you pass out, if you take a degree in cybersecurity, AI, ML, or data sciences for that matter, your entry level pay will be around 6 lakhs to 10 lakhs per annum. Whereas for students who pass out from traditional disciplines like with degree in traditional disciplines like mechanical, electronics or whatever, including computer science, I would say because they would not have studied the courses that are taught in AML or data sciences or cybersecurity department. So they would not be getting that kind of initial pay. And I'm speaking this on the authority of facts. So definitely there is an edge for cybersecurity students or people or I would say engineering graduates with cybersecurity background or AML and data science background. There is a clear-cut edge in terms of entry-level pay. Okay, so we have covered the career pathing for cybersecurity. We have covered the entry-level salary, etc. And if you ask me about the higher education or the opportunities to acquire higher education, there are definitely masters students who take a bachelor's degree in this discipline. We can go ahead and pursue their masters in engineering or masters of science in cybersecurity, AI, or ML, or DS for that matter. And again, there are a world of opportunities for these professionals. Coming to cloud computing. In fact, cloud computing, I think, is also covered as part of the charter of this department, the cybersecurity, AI, data science, ML department. And again, for cloud computing, there is a great, there is a great opportunity in terms of number of jobs. The career pathing, various jobs, etc., include cloud engineer, data DevOps engineer, cloud security engineer, cloud solution architect. So the entry level roles can be any one of this, and each offers its own nuance, its own variety in the cloud computing world. Again, coming to the education opportunities, you have masters in cloud computing, which is offered by best of universities in India and in the world, internationally, nationally and internationally. Coming back to data science engineering, again, data science, there is again here in this space too, there is surge in the number of opportunities, because these are all interconnected. Data sciences, cybersecurity, AI, ML have some interconnectedness in terms of techniques, in terms of tooling, etc. So under data science engineering discipline, you have again many opportunities for programming. It's again, not to forget that data science engineering is a multidisciplinary field combining computer science, mathematics, statistics, and it's basically deals with creating systems that learn from data, to solve complex problems and make data-driven decisions. As we all know, the decisions that are taken in the organizations, be it BFSI, be it retail or marketing, or for that matter healthcare, are mostly data driven. So data is everything, like as ably put out by our HOD Sunil sir. Data is everything in this day and age. So therefore, there is a great demand for the data science professionals. Okay, so the the jobs, entry level jobs, can take various forms, starting from programming to machine learning to database management, etc. Like I said earlier, each role has its own nuance, its own description, and each role has its own value. When it comes to the whole of organizational contribution, every role has its own value, and each role is important to the organization. And various roles, I just covered the career pathing. You can be a data scientist, you can be a data engineer, you can be a data architect, business intelligence analyst, etc. So again, here too, the entry level pay for a data science engineering graduate is higher than that of than that of traditional, than that of graduates from traditional disciplines like mechanical, the electronics or electrical or whatever. So considering all this, since we are living in a VUCA world, I call VUCA stands for volatile, uncertain, complex, and ambiguous world. There is a geopolitical dimension as well, and organizations are actually deploying various security measures, physical as well as digital, to to address these various uncertainties, threats, etc. And therefore, there is a great demand and potential in India, especially because we are talking about jobs in Indian context. There is a great demand for students from these three disciplines, and I would definitely encourage the students to pursue cybersecurity, AI, ML, and data science discipline to make a great career in this discipline in this line. Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Mr. V. Srinivas, sir, for your wonderful clarity on the growing demand for these branches both in India and abroad. Your insights have been truly enlightening and encouraging for all for their clarity.
Srinivas garu,
Yeah.
Sure.
sir,
Sure.
Srinivas garu.
Yes,
Actually,
please.
as you mentioned that BFSI, we introduced one course, dedicated course on BFSI, sir.
Okay. Yeah. So yeah, I know. I think I heard about it, and like I said earlier, BFS sector is implement BF. In fact, among all these sectors, among all these various players, be it retail, be it healthcare, be it finance, BFSI is the employment provider for many in the industry. It's a
Yes, yes,
significant
yes.
employment provider, considering the demand for cybersecurity is more pronounced in BFS sector than in any other sector, because BFS, as you know, banking deals with security, and security is the primary considerations for all organizations that operate in BFS sector. Yeah, I understand that.
Thank you, sir.
So is that course, just a related question, is that BFSA course a related or is it taught as part of your charter in the AIML data security department, or is it taught separately?
Sir, it is a part of data science, sir. Actually, it deals with technical analysis and fundamental analysis, sir. Actually,
Okay.
we will work, we will try to build the models on real-time market data, sir.
Okay, correct. So there is, like I said earlier, there are jobs that require professionals who have kind of business intelligence reporting knowledge. So that's a specialist skill, business intelligence analyst. So that is the role. And there is a great demand for this role because these professionals are required to analyze data and come up with conclusions that help in taking data driven decisions. And these decisions are very important for the organizations. So yeah, I appreciate the fact that you have actually created that course, BFSA course.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Sure.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for the discussion. Now, here is a question
Thank you, sir, sir. Yes, Sangam, please proceed. Yeah.
Yes, thank you, sir. Here is a question to Mr. Suman Jali, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Sir, welcome you, sir. So, what skills should students start focusing on during their early semesters to become job ready in data science or application architecture?
Perfect, sir. First of all, I would like to express my gratitude. I'm very honored to be here to share my knowledge and want to understand how the parents are getting things. I mean, involving in their students' career as well. So I'm very thankful to that. So coming to the question, it's a wonderful question. Actually, if you are not asking me, I would like to start with this question, right? So first, as HODs are started, right? Data is everything, right? So he is absolutely right. I'm 200% agree with him because till now we build the data. Data is everywhere, and we collected lots of data, right? So what we are going to do is the next line of career, right? So getting the data, we are already there, and number of applications are there, and already stable, scaled, everything is there. So the one thing is, how can we identify the patterns of on top of the data, right? Data is so much now. So we need to understand the patterns and analyze the persona of the user and scale your business. That's what the trending, which helping AI in this sector, because AI doing miracles in everywhere, right? So as Rajshekhar sir told, right, the curriculum. So if you go with the any traditional course like any other things, so they need to do all these things after their graduation, and it will take 1 year, 1.5 year to learn it and adopt it and get the job. It will take 1 more year, right? So here is the opportunity where these guys are providing in the course itself, right? So no need to go anywhere, no need to subscribe or purchase any other things after your graduation. It's a part of your day-to-day life, right? So as Srinivas sir told, security is the main concern because data is there and we are doing a number of wonders on top of the data and the same time, and we are giving some flexibility to the hackers as well. They can do hack and get the things worst, right? So we have to make our systems very strong to protect from the hackers, right? That's what Srinivas told point to point, right? That's what so we have everything, data already there to analyze the data science and machine learning should be there because these are the trending and never ending streams, I could say, because if you they are analyzing the data and learning the machine. They are never ending because if you touch fundamentals and everything, these things are around with the statistics. If you touch the data science, statistics, maths, and the linear algebra, so these things are involved, and there it will be help to the to learn and solve the better problems in the real time world. And coming to my my question, so I would like to answer in a different way. So what is that? We need to have three things for sure. So one is communication, and another one is fundamentals, and third one is problem solving, right? So from the day one, if you are choose any of these three streams, just focus on the mission, not at get hired to the any job. Anyway, it's a byproduct of if you align with the machine, right? Uh, so there are a number of repositories are there, let's say GitHub. So try to solve small problems. Like there is one a portal called Lead Code. They will give a coding problems from the basics to expert level. So take that problems, one problem per day, solve it, and check into the public repository, right? So you will be if you solve 3 problems, so 5 threes are, you will be solve 150 problems in a year, right? So these are your portfolio. You are not solving the problems. You are building a portfolio. Everyone will look into the experience, right? So if you attend the interview with the interview experienced guy, they will always look into your experience. What is your experience? So build the experience from the day one, from the first semester itself. How can we build? We are not going to work anywhere, right? We can build our portfolio with our own. So build one repository in the public sector, public repository called GitHub, and take some problems from Lead Code and solve it and check in. Solve it and check in. You will be increasing your portfolio year on year by completing your graduation. So if you start solving the problems from the first year, obviously you will be very familiar with the logical thinking, right? And you will be increasing the problem solving capabilities as well. Then take a small example. So we have so much passionate about cricket and everything, right? So let's take our mother will give a list of groceries. We will write our scribbling somewhere and go to market and get it, right? So why can't we implement a simple mobile app to which mother can list out the things and send it as a WhatsApp to you, and you can go and collect them. So it's pretty simple, right? But where your real-time learning start here, apart from the textbooks, you will face some problems, fix it, Google it, fix it, ask some experts like us and fix it. So you will be learning how to design, how to solve make the user-friendly UI, and how to scale it. And you can host it on the Google Cloud and give it to your friends and family to use it, right? And you will be having the entrepreneur mindset in you, right? Your product is on the market and people are using it, and they will giving you regularly feedback. I need to add this product or this thing. So you will be keep adding along with your academics, right? So now what you are doing, you are building your real experience along with your academics, and by the time of your completion of your graduation, you will be a entrepreneur or a owner of one some applications, and you have so much of knowledge. Because if you go after if you step out to any of the company, these things you will be starting from the day one, right? And of course you are doing from the day one itself, so there will be no surprise for you, and then you will be start increasing, accelerating your things from there. So and that's how you can um, increase your portfolio, and mention the same thing in the resume as well, right? I did some lead code these many problems. Here is a URL, go and check it. And I have a one application, here is a report, here is a URL, go and check it. So no need to tell the I worked on this company from certain from this year to this year. No, just you give the public URL, and people are smart enough to check your capabilities. And okay, this guy did fantastic work in his academy, so it would be very helpful if he hop on our project. He will definitely accelerate because he is doing alone, right? So that kind of judgment will be for sure on the every recruiter, right? So first build the fundamentals, right? Stick to the basics, build your fundamentals, and build your portfolio by solving the small problems and one small applications, right? Whether it could be weather or cricket scoring app or grocery list, whatever it may be. Work on it on every day, right? So you will be having your experience on front end, back end, and the and middleware as well, right? So if you do that, definitely you will be sell yourself. All the things are selling yourself in the market, right? You have so much of things to sell, right? And the final one, it's not least, it's a communication part, right? So make one small kind of video, like it's a 45 seconds or 30 seconds, that's enough. Take one example, any let's say pen, explain about pen in 45 seconds, right? And take only one single take and record it and put it on the YouTube or any social media, right? So while doing this, the first video, it will take lots of guts to put it in the social media, because it's a absolutely unprofessional, right? So it should do, right? And when you are making your videos thousands, right? Your memory I mean, your shyness or the capability of explaining something, you are explaining nonsense, right? You can explain better things when you come sense, right? If you whatever you see phone or a duster, take that thing and explain the 45 seconds and put it on the social media first thing, or first shot. So it will take, for me it took almost 50 videos to post it on social media. Keep doing it every day. 45 seconds is just it will take 2 to 3 minutes, right? So when you continuously doing and explaining something, so you will be very good at communication. So the first thing in the industry needs communication. You have to sell or explain what you are doing. That is the first thing. You can do you can achieve that by doing these things. I can call it as a random words, right? And other thing, problem solving. That's what we are discussed. Take one example and do it and ask feedback and give the friends and family if you are interested and make it as a product. Another thing, communication. So if you align with the three things with the academy, you will be step after your graduation. You will be having the choice. No need of fear of about where to go and what to get, right? You will be having the handful of offers to choose, so that you can choose from there to which align to your machine, or which company will give you more more futuristic with aligns to your goal. You can choose, get that stage. How can we get this? By doing all these things in a consistent way, not only one day or 2 day, across the calendar year. If you do it, definitely you will be in a position to choose the jobs, not going behind the companies. That's what I want to um explain. I hope it's reached. Thank you so much. If any questions, I'm here to answer any of the questions.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your wonderful explanation on how students can start focusing on becoming job ready. Your practical insights and guidance are great, sir. Thank you.
Sangameswar, if you permit, I just want to share with the students a practical insight on cybersecurity jobs. Just one quick insight.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Please, sir, go ahead.
Okay,
Sir.
so yeah, so cybersecurity jobs are now nowadays recession proof. Okay, I'm saying this because like I said earlier, security is of paramount importance in every organization. Basically, digital security is of paramount importance in every organization. Therefore, higher number of jobs are being outsourced to India from the US, which means regardless of the market condition in India or abroad or everywhere, I mean, geopolitical conditions, etc., there are always bound to be cybersecurity jobs. I think students must understand this fact as well. Given the importance of cybersecurity in the organization, the roles are going to be there forever, and then the students who pursue this path will have a longer career compared to other careers, be it mainframes. I'm not undermining them as such, but then the fact of the matter is cybersecurity jobs are going to stay for a very long time, because security is of paramount importance, and organizations are investing in security. The investments are being made on a higher scale. From year to year on year investment is on a higher path. Therefore, the students will definitely benefit from this in cyber security friendly climate in businesses. That's the point I want to make.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your clear explanation.
Thank you so much, sir. Yep, Sangam, proceed.
Next, here is a question to Mr. K. Rajapraveen, sir. Rajapraveen, sir. Rajapraveen, sir, what do you think? Okay, sir will join later, I think. Here, next here is a question to Dr. Sunanda, madam, who is the program coordinator for data science. Ma'am?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am, here's the question. Data is now often called the new oil. Can you give us a glimpse of how the data science program at VNR prepares students in core areas like machine learning, data visualization, and data engineering? And
Yes,
also, could you share how the curriculum balances both theoretical concepts and practical skill building, like projects, internships on research on data science? Ma'am?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Yes, nowadays we are obviously hearing about the word that new oil. The data is called as a new oil because of its immense value in driving innovations, decisions, and growth across industries. So in VNRVJIET, our data science program is carefully designed, and the curriculum is designed that it has to meet the industry requirements. So it is equipped with both the functional knowledge and as well as hands-on experience in critical areas such as machine learning, data visualization, data engineering, etc. In machine learning, when we were coming to the machine learning, we are all having different topics, and as well as we are introducing their deep learning techniques, reinforcement learning. And here we are going to use the practicals like by using Python, scikit-learn, TensorFlow. All these real world data sets are implemented by using these particular languages. Now, when coming to this data visualization, we have introduced the data visualization lab, which is completely hands-on session, which consisting of Tableau, Power BI, and some Excel, and they are all used for in order to implement data analysis. So if you want to develop a data analysis, we are going with this data visualization tools. Next, coming to that how these practical hands-on sessions are going to be equipped in our curriculum. In VNR, we are having different subjects starting from the first semester onwards. In first semester, we have given an introduction to the data science. And in second year, we are going with in depth of that implementing data science with the real world data sets, as Rashekar sir specified, starting with PCA, principal component analysis in first year. Then we are going up by using this Python. So how we have implemented everything, because in every semester we have introduced one new course related to data science, and that course is equipped with a course-based project. Whatever they have learned every semester, they have to implement a particular project related to the concepts what they have learned. So this is about the projects that we have used, and we are encouraging the students for participating in hackathons. When we were coming to the hackathons, all those hackathons are solving the industry oriented problems. So the students are motivated in order to solve the different problems under different hackathons. Internships, we are encouraging our students in order to go and apply for different internships, and we are giving some internships for our students. So, and research opportunities. Whenever the students are coming for the third year onwards, we are giving the students to solve a real world problem by coming across different literatures that are available uh, in the market, and we are going to provide some projects and the solutions we are going to implement it in terms of research oriented, like paper publications and all. So this is about the data science curriculum which we have implemented and which we are using for our students in VNRVJIET. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, madam, for your clear answering the question of about the data science. Next, coming to here is a question to Dr. Subhash sir, who is a program coordinator for cybersecurity. Yeah, sir. As the cybersecurity has become one of the most talked about fields today, can you help us understand how the cybersecurity program at VNR equips students to deal with real-world threats and global challenges in this domain, sir?
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Thank you for the question. I'm glad to address this. At VNRVJIT, the cybersecurity program is designed not just to meet the academic standards, but to prepare students for real-world challenges and evolving global threats in the cybersecurity domain, especially. So let me highlight few key aspects that we constantly work on in the VNR. I would like to highlight 5 important practices that we follow at VNR. The very first and foremost point I would like to say is industry aligned curriculum. Our curriculum is regularly updated to include advanced security topics, especially when we talk about cybersecurity, such as cloud security, IoT security, threat intel, and SOC operations, secure operations center operations, and all. So this ensures that our students are industry ready. And the second important aspect that I can say is hands-on trainings and laboratories. We have established the dedicated cybersecurity laboratories in the department where students work on real-time attack simulations. And they do the vulnerability assessments, pen testing, and also perform the digital forensics and use many industry standard tools like Wireshark. They use Kali Linux, Splunk, and Metasploits, etc. They use a lot of industry standard tools. This hands-on experience is crucial for the student's skill development. And the third one is the project-based and problem-solving approach in a day-to-day teaching practices. At VNR, we emphasize project-based learning in the laboratories especially, where students work on real-world problems in the laboratories, as I mentioned, as part of the course-based projects. And they take up the projects as part of their mini and major projects also. These projects reflects actual industry use cases. So we encourage our students to take up problems in such a way so they really meet the industry standards and they really solve the kind of societal projects. And the fourth one is internships and expert interactions that we follow. Like students are exposed to internships and expert talks from industry professionals and alumni working in top cybersecurity roles globally. So these interactions give practical insights to students for their career paths to improve the placement opportunities and all, especially in the emerging domains like AI in cybersecurity, etc. And the fifth point, that the fifth key practice, I can say, that we constantly focus on is students' participation in competitions and hackathons. Competitions are like exclusively for the cybersecurity students I'm talking about. Our students actively participate in the events like, and they also win the events like Capture the Flag, which is an exclusive for the cybersecurity students. And they also participate in the events like bug bounty programs and hackathons, both at national and international levels. We encourage to do so. So we also conduct VNR in the department level. We also conduct cybersecurity events regularly in a periodical basis. The event named with Capture the Flag and the exclusive hackathons for the cybersecurity students, where students are actively involved in the whole process end to end. So therefore, this obviously builds the strong culture of problem solving, ethical practice, and community engagement. So as I mentioned, these are the 5 key practices with respect to cybersecurity program at VNRVJIET. And also, I would like to highlight a point is that in the recent placements, also cybersecurity students have shown an outstanding performance. This outstanding placement performance highlights that the effectiveness of our program in nurturing the core technical competences, providing practical and lab-based experience, and fostering a deep understanding of the industry expectations. So all these things. So it's a testament. It's a testament to how well our students are being prepared to meet and excel in the demands of today's cybersecurity landscape, especially. So, as a whole and summary, what I can say is, I can proudly say that our cybersecurity program at VNR equips with not only theoretical foundations but also practical, industry-relevant skills and critical thinking abilities. So they can proactively define, analyze, and innovate in today's world where everything is digitally connected. So yeah, I hope I have answered your question.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Subhash, sir, for your thoughtful response and for highlighting why cybersecurity has become one of the most talked about and crucial fields today.
Thank you.
Uh, Next, here is a question to Manman Nath, sir, who is Program Coordinator for Artificial Intelligence and Data Science.
Yes, sir. Am I audible?
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, please.
AI is transforming industries rapidly. Could you walk us through how the AI and DS program at VNR is designed to keep students ahead of the curve in terms of both technology and career opportunities?
Okay, just before, as you have asked regarding this curriculum and the courses that has been designed for AIDS, let me start with that one only. First of all, I must say thanks to all of you, and specifically Sangam sir, HOD sir, and all the delegates, all the specific persons who came here. The curriculum that we have designed, actually it is future-proof curriculum and it is completely AI centered. The AIDS program in our college is architect around core artificial intelligence technologies and their practical deployment. Not only the curriculum we have designed for theoretical, but the practical deployment in the real world system that should be compatible. Our curriculum is dynamically reviewed. It's not that we have only designed it, we have reviewed it with the guidance of the AI industry advisors from leading firms in the research organization. We regularly integrate advancements like we can say neural network, deep learning, generative AI, explainable AI, and so many current technology. And we are supposed to just go in the coming days. We are just thinking to introduce ML ops also in the curriculum, which is just make it AI centric and the future proof curriculum. And relate this one, only designing the curriculum is not the enough, only one. The main thing we are concentrating on the project-based AI learning. That Suva sir also said it, and other people also said it like that also. And the project-based learning will be with the real-time data, and its community-oriented problem statements will be there. Based on that, our students we are encouraging them, and not only we, the college is also encouraging in them, even giving incentive to perform such projects which are AI using the AI tool chains and the framework like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Hugging Face transformers, and they are doing the live project, which we have already given a demo in our recent internship also. So when students have just designed some projects, AI-related real-time projects, which are tremendous projects, which they have not even gone through their theoretical subject, but they have learned it and through the interaction with the industry people and the faculties and the expertise of data science and AIDS, and they have done it completely beautifully. They have done it, keeping pace with the AI product development lifecycle in the industry. Seen in the industry, based on that only they have done it. And to not only restricting to the project, we are encouraging the students for the research and innovation culture. AI research is the heart of our program. Students engage in domains such as explainable AI, AI for social goodness, ethical AI, AI-driven decision system, agentic AI. Based on that, we mentor them with the industry people, with the delegates that we are inviting for those people to address our students, give suggestions, and publish the reputed AI journals and conferences. Even in book chapters also they have done it. Filing the patents, we are encouraging them to file the patents, and they have already filed it, and it is published also with the intelligent automation and the work on the AI grant challenge, nurturing them into through the leaders of the field. They are doing it. And finally, we can conclude with that. Conclusion, we can say that it's a global skills in AI development and innovations we are concentrating. VNR always prepares students not only for the engineer intelligence model, but also to integrate them to the end-to-end AI solution. With exposure to the cloud-based AI platform, we can say AWS or Azure, whatever it may be, and participation in the global AI hackathons, students and build products with a global impact mindset, and they have already won some very good national and international competitions also. And so this is what I mean to say, that we are making them ready for the industry, for the society, for themselves as well, completely with the AI, and just concentrating on the AI world. And the design, we have designed the course as per that. As per your question is that, the answer is we have designed it like that. Yes.
Thank you, sir, for your insightful response on how AI is transforming rapidly, and for shedding light on the artificial intelligence and data science. Thank you very
Thank you.
much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Next, here is a question to Mehernath, who is alumni RSM USC LLP. Mehernath?
Yes, sir.
Before we move into trainings and placement, let me turn to our distinguished alumnus, Mr. Mehernath. Can you share your VNR journey? What aspects of the college experience do you think played a pivotal role in shaping your career in cybersecurity? And what do you think make VNR stand out among others? Mehernath?
Okay. So first of all, thank you, Sangameshwar sir, and the Department of CSE Cybersecurity, Data Science, and AIDS for inviting me for the panel discussion. So my name is Mehernath. So I am a 2024 grad from VNR and in CSE Cybersecurity. It's been around one and a half year. I have graduated from VNR, and to mention, I am currently working in RSM US LLP as an associate cybersecurity professional. So This is my on-campus placement. So thanks to the faculty who have guided me to get this placement. Uh, to tell about my experience in Vienna, so it was completely different, unlike others. So we had experienced the COVID in the 2020, wherein which everything was in virtual mode. Uh, so we had to attend the classes in the online mode and then go and write the exams in the offline mode. So during this phase also we did not feel like we were like we did not feel we were not well sufficient or well equipped with the resources and all. So the faculty always guided us in each and every way so that we can improve our skills. So it was around 1.5 year we were in the online phase, but after this when we came to the college, it was completely a different experience uh, at a different level. So we were in person, the faculty were with us. So the faculty were looking into us like the way we are expressing, the way we are talking, or the way we are learning things. So if there is any uh, wrong way that we were going into, the faculty were always there to correct us in each and every way. So it was completely a different experience out there. So I really felt VNR was always a part of my life that will be always cherished. Coming to I wasn't studious guy actually, so always into studies and stuff. So I really spent a lot of time dealing with the cyber security and stuff. So our batch was the first batch of cyber security, wherein which we did not add much resources at the initial stage, but with the help of our former HOD, Mr. Rajshekhar sir, who brought the industry experts from this field of cybersecurity, build the curriculum. He also did a little bit of research and then build a curriculum in such a way that we will be get future ready for the job market out there. So it is one of the thing I really like about that. So that was something, and there was a lot of support from the faculty as well during my phase. So I and my team have written a research paper along with a journal in the guidance of Mr. Subhash sir. So he helped us in the each and every phase with the projects and how to build them from scratch to make it paper ready to the market. So this was something that was actually good that I found in VNR. And coming to the point why VNR is different from other colleges is because when I talk about the placement and the guidance that they provide in VNR is completely different from the others because telling about my experience, so we had our college from Monday to Saturday. In that, Thursday was especially for the training sessions wherein which we have smart interviews where we were taught about coding from the beginner to the advanced level. If someone is not interested into coding, we were taught about cyber security where or the data science or the AIML. The industry experts came right from the industry. They used to teach us and make us train us in this fields. So this was something that I felt really fascinating about VNR because when I was talking with my other friends in the colleges, so they were like, "Oh yeah, we do not have this type of thing in our college." So that is something that stands out VNR. And another thing is the placement cell, who is always helping us in each and every way. So the faculty placement training was provided. Like we had an aptitude session in the 4-1 on we have also the soft skills training session and stuff. So this was something really different that VNR stands apart. And also the another point is the co-curricular activities at VNR. So not only just the technical skills, we had also the soft skills that I put into. So I was also a lot into this co-curricular activities where I led a cybersecurity club and conducted many events. So in this way, we actually get to know about each and every person and get to manage things. So we learn a lot of managerial skills and the soft skills that are actually required for the industry. So these are the few things I really feel stands apart when we compare Vienna with the other colleges out there. So this is something about my experience. So thank you. Thank you everyone for this opportunity.
Thank you, Mehernath, for sharing your experience at VNRVJIT. Your words truly reflect the spirit and impact of the institution. Thank you once again.
Thank you, sir.
Next, here is a question to me, Mr. G. Satta, sir, who is Assistant Professor and Training Coordinator in the department. Mr. Satta, sir. Satta, sir. Okay.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello.
Satta, sir.
Yeah, Sangamesh sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sir, here is a question for you. One of the major concern for any aspiring engineer is training. Could you throw light on the training process at VNR VJIT? What kind of preparation is offered and how it supports placement readiness for these specialization branches, sir?
Okay. So first of all, thank you for giving this opportunity. Uh, so you know that training is a very important for placements. So in VNR, every academic year from first year, second semester onwards, we offer a training. So the trainings are uh, first year, second semester, we offer front end training. Next second year, first semester, we offer back end training using full stack. So these two trainings are helpful for to participate JP Morgan hackathon. So after that, so we offer competitive coding and AWS from second year, second semester. Along with this one, we offer ethical hacking and DevOps training. So these are the trainings we are offer every academic year for second years and first year, second semester, and third year students. Along with this one, based on company job descriptions. So based on company job description, we offer different trainings, data science trainings, next one cybersecurity trainings, and ethical hacking trainings. So these trainings are very helpful to crack the coding level, different types of placements. So these are the trainings going on in our department.
Yeah. Thank you, sir, for your insightful answer.
Thank you.
Next, here is a question to Mr. Kranti Kumar, sir, who is a placement coordinator in the departments of cybersecurity, data science, and artificial intelligence and data science. Sir, Kranti, sir.
Yes, sir. I'm here, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir. To wrap up this session on informative note, Mr. Kranti, sir, can you please share with us some of the recent placement statistics of the students from cybersecurity, data science, and artificial intelligence and data science branches, sir?
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Respected HOD, sir, and all other dignitaries in the panel. It's a very nice opportunity for me to participate in this panel discussion. I will throw a light on the placement statistics of the year 2024 as well as 2025. In 2024, we had graduated cybersecurity one section and data science one section. In that one, almost 105 placements happened in the companies like JP Morgan, F5 Networks, Unplatforms, Oracle. and specifically cybersecurity 53 placements, data science 52 placements. And coming to the year 2025, we have graduated data science 2 sections and cybersecurity 1 section and AADS. Coming in all, we had around 206 offers, and many are in pipeline, and in queue many results are awaiting. Coming to data science, we had 104 placements in companies like Deloitte, Chubb, and in cybersecurity, almost 100% placements. Out of 63 eligible, 62 were placed. And coming to AADS, 40 people were placed in reputed companies. I'm only giving the single offers. When coming to the double offers, in data science department, we have 40 multiple offers. And in cybersecurity, we have 23 multiple offers. And in AADS, we have 17 multiple offers. We are very proud to say that under the able guidance and leadership of our HOD sir, and with all the help of our senior faculty, we could able to provide this good placements for all our students. Our strategy goes like this: in the before 4-1 starting, we'll be having aptitude training, as our alumnus Mehernath has rightly quoted. We have aptitude training by the placement department, wherein which our students will be attending all those aptitude training sessions, and we'll be having, our department has conducted mock interviews for all the students, both from the department as well as from the TNP cell. We have mock interviews also. And we also have a provision for certificate courses, wherein which each student has to do 2 certification courses, and those skills also will be are also important for the placements. And with the help of all the training and placement department and everything, we had a very good statistics this year as well as in the last year. And we are now in the currently in the 2026, but already placement season has started. Few people, close to 10 people were recruited. Okay, thank you very much for the opportunity, and we are very happy to present the placement statistics. Thank you, sir. Thank you all the panel members.
Thank you so much, sir, for your clear presenting of your placement statistics for the 3 branches: cybersecurity, data science, and artificial intelligence and data science. Thank you, sir.
Sangameshwar, before formally we close, I would like to have a picture of this recording session. May I request everybody, please turn on your video for a while so that we'll have a nice and beautiful picture.
Before we conclude on that, may I request Sunil sir, if you give me 1 minute, I would like to add an important insight here. Based on what
Please, sir, go ahead.
panelists have indicated about the various skills that are taught and various programs that are there in the department. Okay, so in addition to skills such as coding, vulnerability management, detection, pen testing, there is an important industry requirement for people with regulatory awareness. Okay, so when I say regulatory awareness, I mean awareness about various global regulations such as GDPR, European Union, EU's AI legislation, etc. So I hope in addition to these skills, you are also teaching your students, or you're giving some required background on these much required regulations, so that they can they can when they apply for jobs in industry, they can also talk about various regulations that are there in the cybersecurity AI space. That will give them additional advantage. That's my point. The knowledge of regulation gives them additional advantage when they are in the market.
Yes,
Subhash would like to add a point here. Yeah, go ahead, Subhash.
Sir, we have included all these compliances and regulation points, what you have mentioned, in the R22 curriculum,
okay,
sir.
It's already there in your curriculum.
Yes, sir.
All right, that's very good. I'm very glad to note that. And because like I said earlier, there is a great deal of regulatory compliance in the domain of cybersecurity and AI.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir, for constantly supporting us.
Sangam.
Yeah, sir. Sir, one more.
please give a chance to Anand Rathod, who is our professor of practice and as well as industry person, to share his views for a minute or couple of minutes.
Yes. Anand sir, Dr. Anand sir, welcome you sir.
Hey, thank you, Sangameshwar, and thanks to all the dignitaries who have been this call today. It's really a pleasure to be here in such a distinguished panel. And future engineers and innovators. I know we have spoken a lot about the technology, the trends, the kind of career you can probably choose. I would like to emphasize on one thing. The landscape is evolving very rapidly. So tech is not static. What's cutting edge today may be obsolete tomorrow. So choosing a discipline isn't about picking the most popular one, but the one that resonates with you, your curiosity and energy to solve real problems. We are moving from isolated tech stacks to interdisciplinary problem solving. For example, AI and domain knowledge, cybersecurity with cloud, data science with decision making. So I would also insist on understanding the domains. For example, we talked about banking and financial services. We have talked about healthcare. We can look at real estate, reality around this. So build your once after you choose your discipline, also choose the domain that interests you. So as I said, don't just choose the trend. Choose your cybersecurity, AI, data science. Each has huge potential. But each also requires a mindset, analytical rigor for data. So this thinking for cyber, systems perspective for AI. So apart from, I think, along with what you are doing, strongly focus on internship, side projects, and even hobby tinkering, which can help you figure this out. So follow what energizes you. That said, I will probably take this as a thank you, everyone. So last final word, being a great engineer isn't just about coding, it's also about communication, collaboration, critical thinking. So emphasize this, all engineers, inspiring engineers. I would suggest you to kind of focus this as well. So thanks to everybody who gave me this time, and good luck on the panel. Thank you.
Thank you, Anand sir, for your great sharing and a nice quote for engineers. Here we have Dr. V. Priyanka Madam, who is our admission coordinator, and is always available in admission block, D block. And Madam is very supportive and always ready to assist with any queries related to admissions. If anyone want any queries regarding admissions, Madam, you can contact Dr. V. Priyanka Madam.
Thank you, Sangameshwar sir, for giving a very beautiful and a short insight about me available in the admission section. So we are here to help you all. First, before winding up the session, I just want to convey a vote of thanks to all the panelists who have joined today for sharing their valuable insights and suggestions with the audience who have joined us virtually. And we also thank the panelists who are there, who have also joined in the meeting and who have shared their experiences one after the other one. So we hope this discussion has given aspiring students a clearer understanding of the stream and will help them make informed decisions with confidence. This recorded panel discussion will soon be uploaded in YouTube, and the link will be displayed under the department name so that you can revisit it any time for further clarification or to clear any remaining doubts. We are here to support you at every step of your way. Feel free to reach out to us through email or through, you can also contact us by making a call to our mobile phone. The contact details and the email information are every time readily available on the website. So you can just go through the admission page. And in case if you have any queries or in case if you want to visit the department and know more about the department, you are welcome. So you can just walk into the department and we are here to support you all. So in case if you have any queries, you can just give us a call or you can just email us so that we can help you out. Thank you so much for all the panelists, and I mean, we don't have any queries which are posted in the chat window. So mostly, Sunil sir, we have just answered all the queries what they were asking about. So this was a very beautiful and a very wonderful discussion which we had completed today. And this is the end of your third session of our panel discussion. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Dr. Priyanka.